Hello there! Well, hello there, and welcome back to a very exciting episode of Corbin Does Something. That's right, I'm Corbin, the one, the only. I don't know what I did there. Today we have a special treat for you guys. We have Nature's Path Organic Keto Cereal, and it's also vegan. Not that that matters, but it's gluten-free, trans-fat-free, cholesterol-free, 3 net carbs, 2.5 grams of fat, which I wish it had more. We got cinnamon toast and dark chocolate. So, without further ado, let's get into it. We're just going to get into the cinnamon toast here. And this doesn't look very cinnamon toasty. It looks chocolatey. It smells very cinnamony. Like a holiday candle, actually. Okay, that should be a small little bowl. Let's try it without the milk. I don't know if I like that.
That's what she said.
It tastes actually the aftertaste is good. It's got a weird texture to it. It's crunchy but not. So let's just pour some milk in here. Let's give it a little bit of soak. Let's see if that affects it at all. It's almost like stale cereal. It's good though. It's just the texture is really weird. I kind of like it. This is about $8 for a 9 ounce, so it's expensive. It says you can get 6 servings out of it. It says 3 men's servings.
We're gonna burn down the patriarchy.
I do kind of like it. But I hate that texture. It's a very interesting flavor though. I'm going to give this a 6 out of 10. It's very interesting. It doesn't taste like any cinnamon toast cereal I've had before. Not at all. It gets better the more soaked it gets.
That's what she said.
So now let's get into the dark chocolate here. This is somehow less carbs. You know, hopefully this one's a little bit better. Alright, let's try a little bit without the milk. Crunchier, but that similar texture. Make sure it stays wet.
That's what he said.
Yeah, that's pretty good. The chocolate is really strong without being too sweet. It kind of tastes like Cocoa Puffs, but as if they're a little stale. So the flavor's there, it's just the texture's wrong. I'm going to give this one a 7. I'm wondering if this had a minute more of the soak if it got better. The texture's fixed when it's sitting in milk. Yeah, it's a lot better sitting in milk. The texture's not as bad. The texture's the real killer here. Oh yeah. Now here's the real test. Cinnamon chocolate. That is really good. Mixing these together while they're soaked, I definitely would give this a 7 out of 10. It's really good. Maybe an 8. Better than on their own.
Liar!
If you're vegan,
Nobody cares!
I mean, I made it unvegan by putting my milk in there. But I don't care. You can eat this. If you're on keto, you can eat this. If your tummy gets too weak from gluten, you can eat this. I think you guys would like it. Nature's Path. I got it at Kroger. Like I said, I think it was about $8. Anyways, that's all I got to say. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Do all the things that you would normally do for me, or wouldn't do for me, and tell your friends about it too. And the more people that subscribe, the better I'll get.
That's a lie.
That's a fact. Maybe I won't talk with my mouth full. That's a lie. Do you like me yet?